It all started with the cherry-flavored lipstick. Look, Mom's got a surprise for you. A kitty. What can be better than a flesh and blood friend? A magic Barbie. That's what. Let's go party. But first, what do we have here? Oh no! Who would toss some perfectly good legs? Don't worry, they're not alive. So, let's use them for arts and crafts. Also a great way to save on stockings. But she's got a better idea. Make 3 and add some glass on top. It's a table. Oh, look what's over here. Roll it down. These walls are in need of a makeover. What can we use? Oh, a candy wrapper. And the best part, it's already plenty sticky. Smooth it out. We're gonna need more candy. Wow, everything looks great. Well, the room, I think you deserve a makeover too. Uh-oh, talk about losing face. I guess this doll's starting from scratch. Okay, start by filling up these shapes. Barbie can do this blindfolded. After all, she's Barbie. Now let's try it out. Much better. Next up, let's cut up some sponges. Make any shape you like. Oh, a heart. Add some paint on top. And start stamping on the wall. Make sure to get all 4 walls. Meanwhile, let's check in on our human friends. Well, her trash is another doll's treasure. It's not much of a hula hoop, but let's add some tights. Wrap them around to bring it together. The 4 legs should be hanging down. Now tie them to the other end. Add more so it looks like a dream catcher. We just need something to hang it from. Almost done. Now it's the best seat in the house. Hey, what's in your hair? Ooh, a spring spiral. Let's hang a bunch of these too. Hey, watch out! Ooh, look, a wheel!
La 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 la.
And a paint roller. It's still wet. How about we paint this box? What's next? Old noodles? Well, maybe we can use the plate. Give it a clean new look. And we've got wheels. But the decorating doesn't have to stop there. Still, nothing beats a little name branding. And look who's coming for a visit. It's Ken! And he's a mess. Well, he's in the right place. Let's get you a new face while we're at it. Ooh, clown! Still, let's try the mustache one. Unibrows are due for a comeback. Oh wait, I'm thinking of unicorns. I guess you just can't beat a classic.
Whoa!
Oh, is your Barbie Jeep for sale? A Ken dollar should cover this. Don't spend it all in one place. Look, Ken gave you his number. Hi, Ken. What the? Let's try again. I think we're gonna need a new phone. Okay, cut a cat shape out of cardboard. Hot glue some cardboard on the side. Now add a cover on top. Let's add color. Pink, it's kind of her thing. And some purple on the side. Looking good, but our phone still needs a keyboard. Ooh, it's a Hello Kitty phone. They gotta stick together. Hi, Ken. Let's get ready for that ride. Wait, what happened to your shoes? It's worse than I thought. Flat feet! And your shoes don't fit anymore. Well, it's okay. We can always make more. This glass jar should help. Clean it off. Now cover it up with some tape. Add spray foam. Wait for it to dry. Okay, let's trim it down to size. Now we're gonna need a file. Great, now use it on the shoe. Time to add some pink paint. We're ready for a big adventure. What's this? Oh, the beach. I know. Take some cardboard and use it to make a window. Let's add some shutters on the sides and hang it up on the wall. Slide that beach photo inside. Huh, an ocean view at no additional cost. Next up, take a plastic bowl and start stacking. We'll need a few. Wow, we're making a whole column. Now take some paper and cut it up. Make some frills and put it on the top. We're gonna need a bunch of these. We've got ourselves a palm tree. Ooh, your dress is a mess. Let's cut out those stains. Okay, that didn't help much. It's time to get the rubbish bin. But we're not tossing this dress. The bin's our new accessory.
La 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 la.
Now grab some colored material and stick it inside the holes. It's like a tulle ruffled skirt.
Woo, yeah.
Oh no! What's going on now? It's trash day! Dun dun dun! Oh, come on, at least sort your plastics. Oh, Barbie will always be there for you. What a happy ending. Now, where's Ken with our car? The Mermaid Club's pretty exclusive. Let's see if you pass the test. Now it's Barbie's turn. Sorry, Barbie. No party for you.
No.
Oh, don't cry.
Look.
All you need is a kiss from a magical fish. Oh, how could this get any worse? Well, that answers that. Quick, what you need is a straw. It'll suck out the bottom feeders. Now for those pimples. Wait, those aren't pimples, they're pearls.
Wow.
Add them to some string. And you've got yourself a necklace. You're a real mother of pearl. Ugh, something smells fishy. We need something to freshen your breath. Oh, it's gotta be here somewhere. Aha! It's in the treasure chest. An electronic toothbrush. One made just for mermaids. Add paste. And it's time to scrub-a-dub-dub. Now your teeth and necklace match. Uh-oh, just look at your nose. Our wax stick should clear things up. Just add some wax on top. Now pull. Just don't forget, we're only halfway done. Okay, let's do a quick mirror check. Ooh, I've never seen lips so chapped. Let's brush away all that dead skin. Well, not bad, but we can do better. Wow! A fish lip plumper. Déjà vu. Oh, move on and pucker up. See? Told you it was worth it. Oh no! Your mascara's running! Sorry. Probably should have said something. It's okay. Just grab a shell and add our special concoctions. Soon, you'll have a soapy shell. This'll help smooth things out. Ooh, works a little too well. Nah, don't panic! What you need is a quick snack. And save those bones. After all, they're silicone. More importantly, they're the perfect eyebrow stencils. Wow, you're the catch of the day! But she's too smart for hooks. Oh no! A net! Her only weakness! Actually, it's not a bad look. Just add some makeup, and it gets a fishnet texture. Now add glitter. There's always room for glitter. Especially for that fresh-kissed look. Now let's add some special mermaid foam. Come on, we're gonna need a lot. No, we're not shaving her head. We're using it to add some color. Ah, blue, the color of the sea. Next, we'll need to blow dry, so we're gonna need some air. Come on, pufferfish, do your thing. Wow, your hair looks great!
Wow.
But we're just getting started.
Yes.
Now let's add some jewels for when you really want to sparkle. But now for the big moment, your legs! Why don't we try a trash bag? This might take some practice. Now for some fins. What else can we add? Let's look in this treasure bag. What's inside? Glitter. Well, pour it on. Wow, it really matches your hair.
Yay!
Now let's fix up those hands. Cover your arms with tights. And make some finger holes. Now you've got webbed armbands. Ooh, a silver fish! Grab it! Those sequin scales can come in handy. Cover up your armbands, and they'll really start to shine. Oh, Mr. Bones wants to help. He's giving you his captain hat. Arr. But we need just a small part. Decorate with your favorite shells and all sorts of sea treasures. It's your brand new tiara. What the? Are you all right? Gummy bears. Add soda. And stir it all up together.
Yay!
Now pour it into a fishtail mold. Add the straw and it's a lollipop. It's a mermaid's favorite treat. Want seconds?
Yo ho ho!
How about this gummy eyeball? Just don't forget, you are what you eat. Everything's coming together, except those nails. It's okay, the clam has a secret treasure. Fake nails! Let's try them on. And add some tiny shells on top.
Wow!
Always keep your treasures on hand. Now let's go see those mean mermaids and show them the real queen of the sea. These snobby sirens can't believe their eyes. Be nice, girls, and she might share her beauty secrets. But first, let's dance. Everybody join in. I just knew she'd make waves someday.